Welcome to our channel, Expat Living in the Philippines, and today it's harvest day. They are going to harvest the rice paddies. So yeah, and they harvested us in a big area already, but there's still more to harvest. So later, if the rain stops, the rain has stopped, but there's still water that come down from the mountains and going to the rice paddies. Um, After that, they will harvest. So they are now harvesting, and they are in line. They have a row that they will harvest. Each of them has a row, an area that is assigned for them to harvest. So some of them cuts the rice and they just leave it in a place, and some of them will get it and transport it here so that it will be threshed. So the thresher has now arrived, and they're going to assemble it and put it in a stable place where they can thresh easily. So they are now gathering the rice that the harvester have cut, and they will put it in the thresher after.
Padong dari?
Bagin magabinan bagay siguro po. No.
Unsa daw ang dali?
Kani pag pag dulot ani.
Oh.
Ang dugay ang ingani.
Katul man ang kuan dito no? Dito. Katul ang kuan.
Dapaw wala katul tayo. Ay basa man no. Hindi mo katul.
Gusto ko mo adto.
Ang katul ano ka nakabuk.
So that would be all for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell for the notification of our next video. Bye for now. God bless and keep
Ito
safe.
tas balay ta.